Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be more like a vlog type style, just because I don't want to sit down and just talk to you guys. I just want to vlog it and show you guys some goodies. I'm also going to show you guys the baby update, baby bump. You guys can see he is growing and super fast. So I just got home. I just dropped off the baby at preschool, so she's gonna be there for a few hours and then I'll pick her up later. But I just got home and I just went to Dollar Tree, so I wanted to show you guys what I picked up at Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree always surprises me. They always bring some good stuff. So I got one bag right here of Dollar Tree stuff. So I went and got one of these spatula. I think that's what they're called, a spatula. I needed a new one because the one that I have is like all beat up. That's like when I first got the house, we had that, so it's kind of like beat up. So then I saw these. They have a Life water at Dollar Tree. These bottles of water usually go for like $3 to $4 a bottle, and to find these at Dollar Tree, I was so in shock. Like, I was like, oh my god, I gotta take this, because I like Life water. It's good. Some people don't like it because of the taste, but I like it. It's pretty good. Another thing that I got from Dollar Tree is the reusable gloves. Just because every time I do my nails, I go and I start washing dishes and then my nails start to chip. So I was like, you know what? I need to get some gloves when I go and wash dishes, because it's like my nails are not lasting long because I'm always washing dishes. And then I also got some bags. And then my other bag over here, I got a nice pretty cup. I thought it was so pretty. I was like, I have to get this. This is so adorable. Especially for the times that I want to drink like juice, because I really don't drink a lot of juice. But when I do, I could put it in this nice cup. It says, choose kindness and laugh often. That's what it says. Like, you can hardly see it because it's white printed, but this cup is so cute, and I thought it was cute. So when I drink juice, when I ever drink juice, it will be cute. And then the next thing I got, these organizers. Guys, if you guys are looking for organizers for your makeup, I think Dollar Tree is the way to go, because they always have the acrylic organizers, and for $1 you cannot go wrong. So I got these so I could organize like my lipsticks, my concealers and stuff like that, because I got a hot mess upstairs and I need to fix it like ASAP. So I got these for that, because I'm gonna do like a video of me cleaning up my vanity, because my vanity needs cleaning. Like, I'm telling you, it needs a total like revamp, because that vanity looks like a hot mess right now. So I also got some rubber bands. I got these for my daughter because I buy her rubber bands for her hair and they always disappear. I don't understand where the hell they go, but they always disappear. And then the last two things I got was this nail polish. I want to paint my toes orange. Like, I'm in like that orangey stage. Like, now I want to paint them orange. So, and then the last thing I got was this Wet n Wild crease brush. Guys, Wet n Wild brushes, especially the ones from Dollar Tree, are bomb AF. So if you guys are looking for some, definitely get those, because those are really, really good. And yeah, those are the things that I got at, the lighting. Those are the things that I got at Dollar Tree. So I am gonna show you guys one package that I got from Ulta. And I just got the new Makeup Revolution, foundation and concealer. I'm so excited because I love the other one that they came out with. Of course, you would not think I would like that one because it's matte, but I liked it. I love using it because I used to use a hydrating primer underneath and then apply the foundation. But I'm excited because this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiant Foundation. Hydrate Radiant foundation, and this is medium to full coverage. And then I also got the concealer to go with it. So I am so excited to try this out. You guys do not know how excited I am. I am super excited. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff away. I'm gonna make me some breakfast, and then we're gonna go ahead and get ready together because I need to get ready for later. I have to pick up my daughter later on today. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, put this stuff away, and I will see you guys in my vanity while we get ready together and try out some new products. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, love, so I am back. I took a shower, washed my face, all that jazz. So we're gonna jump into the makeup because I need to get ready. So we're gonna go ahead and try out the Makeup Revolution foundation that I showed you guys earlier. And I also want to show you guys it comes with a pump. I am so excited that it's coming with a pump because the old one comes with a doe foot applicator, which I like it too, but I think a lot of people were complaining about it, that, you know, it's not very good hygiene, I guess, sanitary. So I love the fact that it comes with a pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and I have mine in the shade 510. These shades are like way off. That's something that I do have to say, because I'm a F10 in the other foundation, and this one looks a little bit too peachy, if I can say. I think it looks kind of peachy because I just swatched it and I was like, wait, this looks too peachy for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it anyways. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. sponge, and I'm gonna just dab it on my skin. It's my first time trying it. I did prime my face. I did use the No Pore Blem Prime. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and I've been trying it for the last few days, and I like it. I mean, it's all right. I can't say I love it because I've just been trying it out, but so far I do like it. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's gonna keep going in and out because the sun keeps going in and out, so the lighting is gonna be a little bit off, but I'm definitely liking the coverage of this foundation. It's looking pretty good. You guys can see, like, this is one side of my face, and then I have redness, of course, on this side. I don't know, but this pregnancy has given me a lot of redness and a lot of texture to my face. So I'm like, no, why are you doing this to me? Because I'm not used to it. But so far, okay, so yeah, I'm liking it so far. It's definitely giving me some good coverage, and I'm loving it. It's not like, it is like medium to full. It does say on the bottle medium to full, so you could definitely build it up if you wanted to, but I don't feel like I have to. Not like that. I do have redness on my face, but I think it covered up pretty well, so I'm definitely liking that. But I feel like this foundation is kind of peachy, like it has like peachy undertone to it. I don't know, the shades are like way off, because the other foundation I was F10, so I was like, okay, let me get the same shade since it's the same foundation, just different claims. This one's a hydrating one, the other one is like a matte one. So, but other than that, I like the coverage. It's pretty good. I love it so far. It's pretty good. If you have dry skin like I do, I definitely recommend it. It's good so far. I am gonna wear it throughout the day. I will let you guys know in another video how the foundation like lasted throughout the day, because the ultimate test is when I go outside into the heat, because that will tell you if it makes you super oily and all that stuff. So I will definitely let you guys know about that, but I'm loving it. So we will move on to concealer. Okay, so I'm going ahead and putting concealer on my eyelids so I can do my eyeshadow. So I got some new eyeshadows I want to try with you guys. So I'm going ahead and applying concealer to the eyes. So So I got that. So I got some eyeshadows that I'm gonna try. I got these in my BoxyCharm. So I got these Ace Beauty shadows. So I have the purple one and the silver one, and then I also got a Tarte palette. I got the other Tarte palette. It wasn't my favorite because it was all shimmery shades, but this one is not all shimmery. I do have some mattes in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette today. So I'm gonna get my blending brush. Let me find it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Should I set my eyes? Because I never set my eyes, but I think I'm gonna set them today. So I'm gonna go ahead with the white shade right here and set my eyes just to see if they last a little bit longer, because I'm telling you guys, it's so hot in Florida right now that sometimes you feel like your makeup is like melting off. That's how bad the heat is. So I went ahead and set my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brown shade as a transition shade. So because I'm gonna use the purple, but I'm gonna use it all over the lid, but I just want to have like a nice transition shade in my crease. So I'm just gonna put this all over in both eyes, of course. But yeah, it's been really hot. It's like you can't wear, you have to be in a water park every day because that's how hot it is. It's like super duper hot. You can't stand the heat. It's just, you can't be outside for too long because you gonna melt out there. It is bad. So I'm gonna go ahead into the purple shade right here, and I think I'm gonna use my finger to apply it, and if I need a brush to get into the edges, I will use a brush. Let me grab one. I'm gonna use this one from Luxie. This is the 245 small shader brush. Couldn't read it for a minute because it's so light. Okay, so it's pretty. You guys can see right there, it's very pretty. It's a very pretty shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over the lid, and then I might go in with the brush just to blend it out a little bit better, because you know my fingers are just gonna let me do so much. I'm not gonna be able to get in there, so I'm just gonna apply it to both sides and then go in with the brush. So you definitely have to build it up. I think I would have thought the finger would have been better to apply it, but you definitely have to keep rubbing into the shadow to even get some pigment. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush now, and it's like super like moussey, so that is a fact. Okay love, so I am back. I had to finish up the rest of my face off camera because my camera was dying, so I had to give it a charge real quick because I cannot, you know, keep filming and I get cut off by the camera, of course. So I finished up the entire face. I used a little bit more of that purple shade, but that purple shade is not pigmented at all. I think the silver that you guys see in the pop inner corner is more bright than the purple one. The purple one does not work at all. I don't like it. So I would not recommend it at all. But I just finished doing my lips. I used the Morphe lip liner in Crush. Love it. And then I also used the Too Faced Sunday Fun Day lipstick. So I love this combo. This is like my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and top it with a lip gloss that I got in my BoxyCharm. This is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in Lemonade. I think it's Lemonade. I don't know. I don't see a name. I think, oh, Peach Tea. That's the name of the lip gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the lips because it's so pretty. It's pretty. I'm sorry, my phone keeps going off. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love it. It's very glossy. It's not sticky, which I love. This is gonna be a new lip gloss for me. Absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my purse because it's gonna be in my little makeup lip purse bag that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with my hair before my camera dies again. I don't want it to die. So I'm just gonna flatten a little bit the pieces because my hair does not last outside. My hair gets so frizzy. I would love to do like a keratin or Brazilian blowout, but I can't do it right now because I'm pregnant. But after this baby, I definitely need to get a Brazilian blowout because my hair is just so frizzy and it's just so annoying. So that's the best I can do before my camera dies. I'm gonna quickly show you guys my outfit for today before my camera dies. So this is what I am wearing. I'm wearing my black top that I got at Ross, and then these cheetah shorts I got at Ross also. And yeah, you guys can see the little baby bump right there. And then I'm gonna wear some silver sandals, of course. And yeah, that is it. You guys can see I got my makeup done, everything is done. So yeah, that is it. That's all it's gonna be for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little haul and the little makeup tutorial. I'm sorry I couldn't do the whole tutorial just because my camera is about to die again. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye my loves.